You need to mark the vehicle a potential electric hazard and secure the surrounding area. To ensure safe work on the vehicle, you must deactivate the high voltage system. Therefore, the service disconnector has to be opened. To prevent unauthorized activation, the service connector is secured with a padlock. Additionally, you have to disconnect the minus pole of the 12-volt battery to cut off the power supply for the high-voltage battery contactors. You should visually inspect the cables for mechanical damages all the time. Now, the vehicle's high-voltage system should be deactivated. All repair-relevant parts should be voltage-free. If there is a malfunction of the high-voltage contactors, the system is still powered with life-threatening voltages. You have to wear personal protective equipment until the absence of voltage is verified. Get access to a defined measuring point, such as a high-voltage connector. AVL DiTEST workSAFE is designed for safe measurements of electric vehicles. The software guides you through the measurement procedure, so you are able to verify that the system is voltage-free. After you connect workSAFE to the tablet via Bluetooth, a short self-test is carried out automatically. Even with thick safety gloves, you can easily operate the workSAFE via the button on the probe. Follow the steps shown in the guided software. If there are any residual voltages in the system, they are actively discharged by workSAFE during the measurement. All your measurement results are automatically documented in a protocol.